What's in there?
What's in there? Maybe we should open it and see.
What in there?
Ooh, careful. Let me see.
That's a dinosaur.
Is it a dinosaur? Can you show Mommy? Ooh, look at this one. That's got dinosaur feet.
Dinosaur feet? It's open.
Oh, wow. And then you got this. Oh, what kind of tools do you have here? Looks like you have a magnifying glass you can look through. Do you want to look through the magnifying glass? Go ahead. Oh, yeah.
There.
And then you got a brush.
Brush.
And then this other tool here. I don't know what you call that, but probably.
Pink. It is open.
Yeah. Should we open the dinosaur?
Yes.
You want to open it.
Mine open.
You want Mommy to open it? Okay, let me see here.
She with this. Paint. This. Ooh, we're in there.
You like it?
We're in there. This just a look.
Oh, is there dinosaurs in that book? Oh, look, it's for coloring, I think.
Oh, in there. What's in there?
You're going to open it?
This might open this.
Yeah, you want. You know how to do it?
Windows.
Oh, yeah.
No windows. Brush it.
Brush it. Good work. Can Mommy help a little? Let's see if we can do some of these.
My turn.
Go ahead, your turn. Yeah.
Oh, find more holes.
Be gentle.
Find more holes.
Good work.